Good morning mga buds. So, araw ng Tuesday, July 28th. I will go to Polo office to inquire about the exit. So, if a travel needed, so I will confirm if I will fill up a travel going to Albania, because guys, I will go to Albania at August 2, 4 p.m. in Saudi Arabia, and then I will arrive at Albania at 8 p.m. in the evening. So I will confirm at the Polo office if there's requirements needed before exit here in Saudi Arabia, guys. So hopefully it's my travel is smooth and all goods in God's will. Please guide me, God. This is my new journey going to Europa. For now, we all goods about plane ticket. I already have it. Exit visa, I already have it. And visa for Albania, I already have it. And so I just want to confirm here in Polo office. So what I need to do is to ask about e-travel if needed. Okay guys, so let's see. I will go now, and maybe 5 minutes I will arrive at the Polo office. Alright guys, so ito na tayo sa Polo office. Ayan. So let's check inside. Itoan. So punta tayo sa taas. Alright guys, so hindi pinirmahan yung natin, exit visa natin, kasi hindi pa nare-receive yung remaining balance, yung salary at saka vacation fee. Okay, so pauwi na tayo. Ang nangyari ay hindi tayo pinirmahan sapagkat hindi pa binigay yung yung remaining balance nila, yung sahod ko na isang buwan saka yung vacation pay. Yun ang hinihintay. Tapos i-attach nila yun doon sa exit visa natin na final exit para makaalis tayo ng Saudi. Alright, so hintayin natin yung bibigay ni employer para makabalik tayo dito. Tapos i-attach natin yung resibo sa exit visa natin, yung natin, mga papers natin dito na pinirmahan natin kanina, yung mga ito, mga papers natin yan, kasi inindicate nila dito yung remaining balance na babayaran ng employer. So pag nag-fill up kayo dito guys, ilalagay nyo yung mga mga kung kailan kayo nagsimula, mga ganon, kung kailan kayo matatapos, kung ilan salary nyo, ganon. Alright, so peace out.